Sure, where I need to be. So let's keep that close right there. Right there. Enough for the pin to drive itself out. Let's press out the wrist pins for connecting rod, basically. Why am I doing it? Because I want to retrieve the connecting rods. Why am I retrieving the connecting rods? It's because I'm going to reuse the connecting rods again. So a part of that, I need to press out the wrist pins. And the wrist pins I'm not going to be using again. I got another set of pistons. Let me grab one for you. All right, so I grabbed a nice set off of Summit Racing. I'll just pull out one. Try to get the lights off so you guys can see. I don't know why I got it in here, but the lighting is, the sun is out, but it's, maybe the tree is in the way around here. So this piston comes with a wrist pin already, meaning I'm not going to use the old one. So if I'm removing this and I'm not reusing the piston again, and I'm only making a note of this, you MFers is going to complain about why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. Now I got this idea from, oh my God, what's your YouTube name? Hold on. Kaufman's Garage. Brother, I really appreciate you uploading that video because I was going through a bunch of stuff like ways. After I already cracked my piston, the way you did it is simple. The way I did it wasn't like the way you did it. I did it in a way whereas I had shallow sockets, and I had them at least on the side of the piston, on not the skirt part, but at least this flat part right here. It wasn't right, and I cracked the piston trying to press it out or whatever. I found your video. Found the video. It was like simple. I got a shot press. So let's press one out. I'll put his information in the video if you guys want to head over it. And it's like he's part of a he's doing a build as well. And all my block builders, my LS builders, let's go. I saw that he used three socket method. First, I got I don't know what size he used, but I'm using a 12mm up here because that's going to dig the pin out and just flush it out. It's in the same form of like pressing out ball bearings, basically. I got a 17mm socket and I got an 18mm, and they both snap-on sockets. 17 and 18 lengthwise, they're the same size. Do not mix up a Pittsburgh socket with 17. My 19 Pittsburgh socket was shorter and lengthwise than the 18. Not talking. So let's press her down. I'm gonna stand up because I don't want nothing to fly on me, just in case. Make sure you get safety glasses, guys. Feel like she's coming. She's coming. Let me check her out. Now I'm gonna put my hand just to catch the rod. I don't want it to fall out or nothing, even though I know it's not gonna fall. I broke the piston, but I don't care. All right, that didn't work. All right, that was bad. That was bad. Whole thing broke out. We can't use that method. I'm trying another one. I don't care. I got plenty. I still got the pistons from the other block. So let's go. Or yeah, I'm sorry, the connecting rods. Come on. I guess before I felt pressure, but next time if I feel something binding me up, I'm gonna just adjust positions to see if that help. I hope this don't break. Let's make some adjustments. The pin is coming. You can see it driving out. Like right there. But let me make sure you wear safety glasses. Says the guy that ain't got one, right? Alright, let's try it again. Set my socket up a little. My position. But I want to make sure I'm where I need to be. So let's keep that close right there. Right there. Enough for the pin to drive itself out. And I'm just gonna Line it up there. Bam. So I just adjust my position just to see if that helped. Actually, it helps because I feel like it might slip. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, she's getting tight. But she's coming. She's getting tight, but she's coming. How did I put that like that? Let's give her another whirl. Stand over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. See where we at. 'Cause I don't want to force it and break it like the last time. Just gauge it. Yeah, I guess it matters just the position of the socket. Just make sure it's cool and then it's going to come out. But nothing's binding me up and I feel like it's loosening up. So let me put my hand over here. Come on. It's loosening up. I don't care about the pen. Let it rock out. Think we out, right? See what we got. So here's the pin, and let the socket fall out. I don't care about the this piston and the bearing. F that. I now have all 8 connecting rods. I thought I was going to mix and match them between the other the original 6 I took apart, but I ended up turning these off. I ended up just taking the ones that came with this motor, this crank. Why? Because the connecting rods were in bare condition. At least the surface, the caps is good. The surface, bearing surface for the connecting rod, it looks good. This crank itself looks good. That other crank that was worn out, maybe in another video I showed you. Yeah, cylinder number like 5 and 6. There was the pair cylinder. There was it was rounded out from spun bearing from 2 cylinders basically. So all 8. Bam. Cool. So now I want to put these in a box. Get these somewhere safe. Why? Because I got to take these, this, and a couple other things. We're going to get the crankshaft balance. I'm going to get bring the pistons with me. Get the crankshaft balance, and once we get the crankshaft balance, we get that come back, then we'll work backwards and dress up everything. So I'm Leekautorepair. Thanks for watching my goddamn content. Try to keep these videos pumping for y'all as usual. Make sure y'all get over at my Instagram, Leekautorepair, TikTok, Leekautorepair, YouTube, Leekautorepair, shit, Cash App, Leekautorepair, Venmo, Leekautorepair, everything goddamn Leekautorepair. I'll holla at y'all.